Okay, for the handle, this one, you can use this one to create. Okay, wardrobe. Okay, open wardrobe, design for open wardrobe. Like if you want to put a handle, right, usually you can go to this one, wardrobe first. Go to the wardrobe first. Okay, then you can create your own handle also. Okay, if so unlucky you don't have lah. Okay, so maybe we just find the handle first. So decoration part. Okay, find this banner. Where is the banner? Base banner. Basic board, just and banner. Okay, so we find this banner called superboard. Yes, this one superboard. Okay, after that you drag out, right? Then you change the size. So you can click V selection, right click on it, then you estimate it. Okay, so let's say I go to here, panel point editing. Okay, so you see here is a longer and the short one, so I'll make this one like 200. Okay, this one like 600 lah. Follow here lah, just roughly lah, approximately. Okay, first delete the banner, then we draw it. Okay, so I'll give it here, start with here and come to here. Okay, should be the same here. Come by one, go to here, click here. Okay, so here the handle size roughly, so click save. Okay, return. Okay, now we have the shape already, so we just exclude it. This one you just change the size only, change it to 50. Okay, change it to 50. Okay, exit the board selection. Okay, so now this is the thing, right? Okay, now we put two rectangle here. Just put rectangle. Just drag maybe this one, visible banner one. Okay, yeah, change the size. So this one I make it 80. Minimum 100, so never mind. I click board selection, then I can change the thing. So I make it 80, no 50. This one make 50, right? They are same height. I think they are same height. No, taller a bit, so I'll make it 60 lah. 60. Okay, and this one make it 80. Okay, then press exit first, then press Z. Okay, move this item to here. Okay, move it, match with them. Okay, okay, so if you want to copy this one again, you press Control, press it, exit first, Control V. Okay, Control V another one, then press Z again, move another one to another side. So move it, come down. Okay, move there a bit, then press exit button. Okay, so they look similar. Okay, just not yet put material, right? Never mind, you can change the material. Okay, so just right click all material, cabinet material. So I change the metal one. Select the metal one, so this one should be, yeah, steel, stainless steel. Double click. Okay, becomes stainless steel. Okay, okay, so you remember group it lah. Remember group it lah. Okay, group it. Okay, Control G, group it. Okay, maybe you put handle, favorite. Okay, create category handle, confirm. Okay, handle. Then you can move it, you can rotate it also, or just change the size. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.